Guys, my name is Dharesh Kapoor Shaw, and today I'm going to be presenting my etymology project on names of the days in a week. So let's get started. Language. Language has been developed and influenced by many people. In many empires, there was an age of pagan gods, non religious, where the names of the days in a week came from. These gods were given priority as for the planets, as planets were named after these gods. Concept of a week in the West. West as in the Western Hemisphere. Concept of a week in the West came from the ancient Greeks. The reason they adopted the number 7 was that they observed seven celestial bodies: the Sun, the Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Uranus and Neptune did exist that time, but it was hard to predict the movements of those planets from the naked eye since they were too far from Earth. Let's start off by the days. Sunday, as the name suggests, comes from the sun. The sun was the first thing that people used to see in the morning, and it was taken as a divine sign from the gods. That is why, in many cultures, it's believed that the week starts from Sunday. The original word is sun, dag, which originates from Old English. Sun is sun, and dag means day. Monday. This particular day is named after the moon. Earlier in Old English, it was Mon Dag. So, how did moon become Mon? It was basically a shorter version for moon, and Dag is day. So, Mon Dag. Because I speak French, it is lundi, and which is basically la lune. So, lune di. So, lundi. Di is day. Tuesday. Tuesday was named after the Norse god Tiu, who's the god of war. In Roman gods, it's Mars. That's why in French it is called as Mardi. This day is dedicated to the planet of Mars. So there's a group of Northern European gods and a Southern European gods. So they do meet at a point where the both mythologies meet each other. Wednesday. This day was named after the Norse god Woden, who's the chief god. In Roman gods, it's Mercury, who is the messenger, but they're both equivalent. In French, it is Mercredi. This day is dedicated to the planet of Mercury. Mercredi as in Mercury, Maker, and D is day. Thursday. Thursday was named after the Norse god Thor, who is the god of thunder, not the Marvel character. And in Roman gods, it's Jove, which in French is jeudi. This day is dedicated to the planet of Jupiter. Friday. This is the only day that is named after a goddess, who is the wife of the chief god Woden. Her name is Freya. In Roman gods, it's known as Venus. That is why in French it is Vendredi. This day is dedicated to the planet of Venus. And both these goddesses are goddesses of love. Saturday. This is the only day in English that is named after a Roman god who is the god of agriculture and derives its names from the planet of Saturn. So obviously this day is dedicated to planet of Saturn. Since I'm living in India, there are three calendars that have been followed: Saka calendar, Vikram Samvad, and the Gregorian calendar. The Saka calendar and the Vikram Samvat calendar are two Hindu calendars. So they also have a 7 day cycle. So how do they also have a 7 day cycle? Let me explain it. Ravivar, Somvar, Mangalvar, Budhvar, and Guruvar, Shukravar, and Shanivar. These are the days of the week in the Hindu calendars. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the translations. Concept of a week in India. Concept of a week in India was found centuries back. As per the oldest Veda, Rig Veda, it is said that only these planets had an impact on everyone. How? Because they're up there and we are here on Earth. There's a concept of astrology in many cultures that is believed as per the Hindu Vedas. So only the planets till Saturn were followed because Uranus and Neptune were too ahead and they did not have an impact on everyone. So the planets till Saturn had only impact on everyone. What is astrology? Astrology is how the stars affect your personality and your lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give this a big thumbs up, share this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.